In this video, I'll guide you through the process of earning free Bitcoin using the best Bitcoin mining app designed for beginners in the year 2024. Wondering how? Stay tuned as we delve into the details. If you find value in this video, consider subscribing with notifications turned on. It's free, and you can always change your preferences later. Subscribing ensures you're among the first to know about the new and effective strategies for making money online, maximizing your potential earnings. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Understanding Bitcoin. Before we proceed, let's define Bitcoin for those unfamiliar with it. Bitcoin, often referred to as cryptocurrency, is a form of virtual or digital currency akin to an online version of traditional cash. Its utility extends to purchasing goods and services, with many establishments accepting Bitcoin as a valid payment method. Transacting in Bitcoin involves sending and receiving digital coins through digital wallets. There are primarily three ways to acquire Bitcoins: buying them with real money, receiving them in exchange for goods or services, or creating them through a process known as Bitcoin mining, the focus of our discussion in this video. Getting started. Now, let's dive into the main content. Today, I'll introduce you to the top 7 most profitable Bitcoin apps available online in 2024. What's great is that all these apps are designed to be beginner-friendly and come with no cost to use. You don't need to be a cryptocurrency expert to leverage these apps. All you need is an internet connection and a mobile phone. Throughout the video, I'll also share the most effective way to utilize these apps, so stay tuned till the end to maximize your benefits. Goldmine number 1. Our initial step in this Bitcoin earning journey involves utilizing Coinbase.com. This website serves a dual purpose for us. Firstly, Coinbase acts as a Bitcoin wallet, allowing you to collect Bitcoin from various websites or apps we'll explore today. Setting up this wallet is free. Simply click on the Get Started button. Upon doing so, you'll be directed to a new page where you'll input your first name, last name, email address, and a password. Ensure the email provided is valid, as Coinbase will send a verification link for you to click, crucial for setting up your Bitcoin wallet. It's worth noting that while Coinbase.com is a preferred option, you can establish your Bitcoin wallet on other platforms. Having a wallet is essential for accumulating your earnings. Moving on to the second benefit of using Coinbase.com, you'll notice on their homepage a $167 bonus offer. By engaging in courses to understand new cryptocurrencies and completing them, you'll be rewarded. What's noteworthy is that you can conveniently use your mobile phone to access Coinbase.com, partake in these educational courses, and secure the bonus. Once you've claimed your $167 and set up your Bitcoin wallet, we can proceed to the next app for earning free Bitcoin in 2024. Goldmine number 2. Now, let's explore the second app, CryptoBrowser.site, available for both Android and iOS devices. This app holds a special place for me due to its unique feature of generating passive income. Serving as a Bitcoin miner, this browser allows you to run it in the background on your mobile phone or computer, utilizing your device's resources to automatically generate Bitcoin. What sets it apart is the absence of active involvement. No surveys, ads, or microtasks are required to earn profits. Similar in appearance and functionality to Google Chrome, this browser permits you to perform regular tasks seamlessly. To initiate your earnings, install the app on your mobile phone, available for both Android and iOS. The basic version is free, and while there is a pro version, it's advisable to start with a free one, especially for beginners without initial investment funds. Once you've earned some money, consider reinvesting for greater profits. Beginners are encouraged to opt for free version from Google Play. Additionally, installing it on your computer, replacing your current browser, can enhance earnings by letting CryptoLab browser operate in the background while you use other apps. This unique feature positions it as a source of pure passive income, allowing you to earn without direct involvement while other apps generate active income. Goldmine number 3. Now, let's delve into the third app, featurepoints.com, a versatile platform available for both iOS and Android devices, offering a significant advantage. Having disbursed $5.8 million to users since 2012, this app boasts a reputable standing in the industry. From my personal experience, FeaturePoints consistently fulfills its commitment to compensating users promptly. The app functions on a points system, earned by completing micro-tasks, including surveys and cashback opportunities at partner stores. A noteworthy feature, rarely found in other apps, is the ability to accrue points simply by downloading specified apps on your mobile device. Once your balance reaches a predetermined threshold, you can redeem your earnings. Withdrawal options include PayPal and Amazon gift cards, but notably, FeaturePoints allows users to receive rewards in Bitcoins deposited directly into their Bitcoin wallet. Additionally, the app offers a decent referral commission of 50%, enabling users to leverage this method and enhance their profits by referring friends or others interested in online money making. Signing up can be done on the websites by entering your email address, or you can opt to download the app on your phone and sign up there. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Goldmine number 4. Moving on to our fourth app, Sweatcoin, a unique platform that rewards users with its cryptocurrency Sweatcoin, distinguishable from Bitcoin. Available on both iOS and Android devices, this app compensates users for a simple yet essential activity, walking. For each step taken throughout the day, users earn rewards. Particularly beneficial for active individuals, Sweatcoin introduces an intriguing aspect. While the Sweatcoin itself doesn't possess standalone value or convertibility into US dollars or Bitcoin, users can leverage their balance by purchasing items from the app's extensive network of partner stores. With partnerships extending to over 300 businesses, users can choose from a diverse array of products, including high-tech shoes, iPhones, anti-gravity yoga classes, and Apple Watches. While the option to withdraw into US dollars via PayPal exists, the app encourages users to explore the variety of available items, acknowledging that achieving the PayPal threshold may require some time due to its high limit. Sweatcoin's favorable reviews, with a remarkable 4.3 out of 5 rating based on over 174,000 reviews, attest to its popularity and user satisfaction. Goldmine number 5. Let's explore the fifth app in our lineup, Free Bitcoin, available on Google Play. While I'm uncertain about its availability for iOS users, my focus will be on this particular app for now. Similar to FeaturePoints, Free Bitcoin requires users to complete micro-tasks, including downloading specified apps, watching videos, and completing surveys. These tasks earn users points that can later be withdrawn or converted into Bitcoin. The app boasts a commendable rating of 4.4 out of 5 on Google Play. However, it's worth noting that some reviews express less favorable opinions. To form your own judgment, you can conduct additional research online, or better yet, give the app a try and assess the effectiveness based on your willingness to invest time. Goldmine number 6 and 7. Now, let's delve into the 6th and 7th app on our list, both sharing a similar concept as mobile games designed to help users earn extra money. The first one is Blockchain Game, and the second one is Alien Run, both available on Google Play. It's important to acknowledge that engaging with these apps involve trading your time for money. The profitability may vary depending on the amount of time you dedicate to them. I recommend giving these apps a try to gauge the potential earnings based on your available time. This concludes our exploration of apps to earn free Bitcoin in 2024. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!